Karel is a bot designed by Stanford University to teach its introductory Python course. I came across Karel while studying in Code in Place during the COVID-19 pandemic. I used Karel to design a code which writes my name Ayush letter by letter with the help of Karel. Let me just show you the entire code. As you can see, Karel is commanded to go block by block to different locations and print my name in a colored manner. Okay, now let me just run the code. At first, I have commanded Karel to erase the entire space and paint it white so that the name printed can be visible clearly. This is the maximum speed I can go on. There you go, my entire name written by Karel.